Greetings. Today, we continue part 12 of our peptide series, exploring Selank and its potential benefits. Peptides are short chains of amino acids made by our bodies that act as powerful signaling molecules. Like hormones, peptides deliver messages to cells to trigger actions. Compared to hormones, peptides are much more specific in their instructions to cells. They perform all kinds of functions, such as triggering repair, regeneration, metabolic balance, activation of specific functions, and performance optimization. Because of their precision, peptides are becoming increasingly popular in longevity, regenerative medicine, and performance-focused health protocols. Selank, the peptide that tells anxiety to take a hike and brings your brain along for the ride. Selank is a neuropeptide known for supporting stress reduction, emotional balance, and cognitive clarity. It helps regulate neurotransmitters involved in anxiety and mood without causing sedation or dependency, making it unique among calming compounds. Yeah, all right, folks, buckle up because we're about to meet Selank, the peptide that's basically your brain's chill therapist. Imagine if you could bottle the feeling of that first sip of coffee on a sunny morning, minus the jitters and a side of I got this confidence. That's Selank in a nutshell. Developed in Russia back in the 1990s, because who else but the folks who survived Siberian winters would engineer a stress-busting wonder? This 7-amino acid powerhouse is derived from tufsin, a natural immune peptide, but tweaked to be your mental health sidekick. Think of Selank as the polite bouncer at club anxiety. It shows up, whispers, "Not tonight, pal," and escorts the drama out the door without starting a fight. No sedation, no fog, just calm, clear-headed you. But enough hype, let's dive into the science with a dash of snark, because who says peptides can't be fun? I'm the digital avatar of Dr. MacCloud, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc. His passion and purpose are to solve health problems to help people achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals. He utilizes AI to save time, allowing him to spend it helping others. With over 45 years of clinical experience, he has acquired extensive specialized health-related knowledge that he wants to share, hence his videos. Please note that this is not medical advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Consult your trusted progressive healthcare provider before making any significant changes in your health regimen. Now, let's get back to today's topic, but before that, I ask you to please hit the like button if you find this information helpful. Subscribing to this channel helps get this information to more people. Selank is a synthetic analog of tufsin, but with extra stability to survive your body's demolition derby. It works its magic by modulating key brain chemicals. Boosts BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. That's the stuff that helps your neurons grow, connect, and basically throw a party for better memory and mood. Tweaks GABA and serotonin without the hangover of benzos or the wait time of SSRIs. It calms the storm without putting you in a coma. Reduces inflammation. Selank dials down pro-inflammatory cytokines like IL-6, which is like telling your body's overzealous immune squad to stand down. In studies on stressed out rats, poor guys, Selank restored normal behavior faster than you can say, anxiolytic. Human trials, mostly Russian but gaining Western traction, echo this. It enhances cognitive function under stress, like giving your brain a pair of noise-canceling headphones during a rock concert. Anxiety's worst enemy and yours best ally. Selank slashes anxiety without sedation, perfect for that big presentation or first date jitters. A 2023 study showed it reduced GAD, generalized anxiety disorder, symptoms by 30 to 40% in just weeks. No zombie mode, just zen. Mood booster, extraordinaire. Depressed? Selank lifts serotonin and dopamine, helping with mild depression or the winter blues. Think of it as a natural Prozac, but without the side effects that make you question life's choices. Cognitive sharpener. Foggy brain? Selank improves focus, memory, and learning. Great for ADHD or age-related decline. Russian cosmonauts allegedly used it for space missions. Unverified, but cool story, bro. Immune system, cheerleader. It modulates immunity, reducing inflammation and boosting T cells. Handy for autoimmune issues or post-viral fatigue. Your body's like, thanks for the backup. Anti-aging perk. By protecting neurons and reducing stress-induced damage, it supports longevity. Early data suggest it could slow cognitive aging because who wants to forget where they put their keys at 80? And the best part, side effects are rarer than a unicorn sighting, mild headaches at most, and no dependency. Selank's a multitasker, but it's not a cure-all. Here's the playbook. Anxiety, stress. Nasal spray or injection for quick calm, ideal for public speaking or exam season. Depression, adjunct. Stack with therapy or meds for a mood lift without the grogginess. Cognitive enhancement, students, executives, or anyone fighting brain fog, think nootropic light. Immune support, post-illness recovery, or autoimmune flares. Off-label. Fun, some use it for PTSD, sleep issues, or even hangover recovery. Anecdotal, but hilarious if true. Not for dealing with severe psychiatric disorders, it's adjunctive, not primary. Or if you're pregnant breastfeeding, due to limited safety data. Selank comes as a nasal spray, easiest, or injectable, stronger. Start low, go slow, it's potent stuff. Nasal spray, 200 to 300 mcg, 1 to 2 sprays per nostril, 1 to 3 times per day. Cycles, 10 to 14 days on, 1 to 2 weeks off. For acute stress, as needed. Subcutaneous injection, 250 to 500 mcg per day, split doses. Cycles, same as above. Pro tip, use for 2 to 4 weeks, then break to avoid tolerance. Monitor mood, energy, adjust based on response. Always source farm-grade peptides and consult a doc for guidance and coaching. It's not FDA approved, but widely used in Russia and Europe. Selank isn't going to turn you into a Zen master overnight, but it might just make life's little storms feel like a drizzle. In a world full of stress balls and therapy apps, this peptide is the real MVP, quietly kicking anxiety to the curb while boosting your brain's A-game. So if your inner monologue sounds like a bad horror movie soundtrack, maybe it's time to call in Selank. Here's to calmer days and sharper minds. I'm Dr. Max MacCloud for the Age Reversal Technology Center, Lakewood Ranch, Florida. P.S. Ready to try Selank? Give us a call to learn about our peptide therapy coaching program. 941-806-5511.